ज्ञान गंगा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के प्रबंधन के द्वारा अनियमितताओं को अंजाम दिया जा रहा था, जिसका विरोध प्रदर्शन करने में छात्र संघ के साथियों के साथ गया था।
आप स्टूडेंट लीडर होके धरना दे सकते हैं, अफसरों को धमका सकते हैं, स्कूल प्रबंधन को धमका सकते हैं।
माय लॉर्ड, क्या होता है, कोई भी एलिगेशन लगाने से पहले उसकी तह तक उसकी मतलब
कानून के बहस, कानूनी बहस सुनूंगा सर। कौन सा कानून है सर की इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए थी?
माय लॉर्ड, मुझे नहीं पता।
नहीं पता तो फिर क्यों बहस कर रहे हैं भाई? जी, डायरी आ गई।
यस सर।
बताइए क्या केस है?
My lord, this writ petition is under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. In this, I am challenging two impugned FIRs. First date of FIR 7/4/2024, passed on crime number 178 of 2024. Second date of FIR 13/4/2024, passed on crime number 183 of 2024. My lord, I am a student leader involved in the welfare of student. My lord, on 5/4/2024, I went to
आप दो FIR चैलेंज कर रहे हैं?
जी हाँ।
एक पिटीशन में दो FIR कैसे चैलेंज हो सकती हैं?
My lord,
और पहले बता देते तो हम दोनों के FIR की डायरी बुलवाते। एक ही FIR की डायरी है ये
जी
183 की।
माय लॉर्ड, दोनों कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से, इसलिए
कोई बात नहीं, तो आप पहले बता देना था ना कि दो FIR बुलानी है, दो डायरियां बुलानी है। हमने एक ही डायरी बुलवाई। दूसरी FIR का क्या नंबर है?
183 ऑफ
वो
2020,
तो आ गई है डायरी।
178 ऑफ 2024,
178 वो लाडगंज पुलिस स्टेशन,
बेड़ाघाट।
वो बेड़ाघाट का है। अब फिर बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, इस बात की तकलीफ है।
जी, मेन तो वही है 178।
एक सेकंड, हाँ सॉरी, आ गई है, आ गई है नीचे बेड़ाघाट भी है। जी बताइए क्या है सर?
माय लॉर्ड, ऑन 5/4/2024 आई वेंट टू ज्ञान गंगा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। ज्ञान गंगा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के प्रबंधन के द्वारा अनियमितताओं को अंजाम दिया जा रहा था, जिसका विरोध प्रदर्शन करने में छात्र संघ के साथियों के साथ गया था।
आप क्यों गए थे?
माय लॉर्ड, वहाँ पे स्कूल प्रीमाइसेस से ही बुक्स स्टूडेंट्स को दी जा रही थी और फीस को लेकर।
आप किस स्टेटस पे गए थे? आप किस अधिकार से गए थे? बस इतना पूछ रहा हूँ।
माय लॉर्ड, स्टूडेंट के ग्रीवेंसेस को लेकर।
स्टूडेंट्स के ग्रीवियंस के लिए आप कैसे जा सकते हैं, वो अधिकार की बात पूछ रहा हूँ, सेल्फ एक्वायर्ड राइट की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
जी
आप स्टूडेंट लीडर होके धरना दे सकते हैं, अफसरों को धमका सकते हैं, स्कूल प्रबंधन को धमका सकते हैं। ऐसे अधिकार हैं आपके, पहले ये बताइए।
माय लॉर्ड, किसी को धमकाने का प्रयास नहीं था, सिर्फ
नहीं 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 नहीं, प्रयास नहीं, ऐसी रिपोर्ट में है इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ। आपका
जी।
डिफेंस मैं नहीं कंसिडर कर पाऊंगा।
माय लॉर्ड, क्या होता है, कोई भी एलिगेशन लगाने से पहले उसकी तह तक उसकी मतलब
कानून के बहस, कानूनी बहस सुनूंगा सर, ठीक है ना सर? आरोप लगाने से पूर्व इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए थी।
जी
कौन सा कानून है सर की इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए थी?
माय लॉर्ड, मुझे नहीं पता।
नहीं पता तो फिर क्यों बहस कर रहे हैं भाई? चलो, एक पहला है कि आरोप लगाने से पहले इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए था। दूसरा क्या ग्राउंड है? दूसरा क्या ग्राउंड है?
बस माय लॉर्ड, एविडेंस होता है तो फिर अधिकारी को हम उसके बारे में मतलब शिकायत कर
आपको सुनने का मौका देना चाहिए था, ऐसा?
जी
तीसरा क्या ग्राउंड है?
बस माय लॉर्ड।
ये दोनों ही ग्राउंड कानूनी रूप से आपको अवेलेबल नहीं हो, है ना? 14638/2024, this petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed seeking the following relief. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that being a student leader, he went to the concerning to British school system. However, the principal of a British school lodged an FIR alleging that the petitioner as well as Aryan Tiwari and his friends forcibly entered inside the school and started alleging that why the school is functioning, and accordingly they started abusing the staff by in the name of mother and sister. When the principal objected to it, then the petitioner and his friend Aryan as well as their colleagues started damaging the chair, tables, monitor, etc., and accordingly caused damage to the school property. and also threatened that in case if they come out, then they would be killed. Police staff. Accordingly, on this said FIR complaint, FIR number 178 of 2024 has been registered in police station Beraghat district, Jabalpur. Similarly, FIR number 183 of 2024 has been registered at police station Ladgaj district, Jabalpur on the report of the police officer on the allegations that the petitioner and Aryan Bhatia were wanted in crime number 178 of 2024, and accordingly they went to the house of the petitioner at 6 a.m. and informed him that he is required in a non-cognizable offense registered in crime number 178 of 2024. Then the petitioner started abusing the police party and threatened that he would not, and challenged that he would not open the gate of the house and the police party must leave the place, and also alleged that why the police has come to his house. When he was informed by the police party that a non-bailable offense has been registered against him, and in case if the petitioner do not cooperate with the investigation, then they will be required to arrest him, and also insisted that he should open the gate of the house, full stop. Then he again refused to open the gate of the house and challenged that he may do whatever he wants. The entire incident was videographed by a constable Ritik number 1997. Accordingly, CSP Bargi was informed about the incident under an apprehension that the petitioner may abscond, the police party entered inside the house of the petitioner through the house of his neighbors and again asked the petitioner to accompany them. Then he started abusing the police party by using filthy language in the name of their mother and sister, and also started scuffling with them, and also abused as to why they have come, and accordingly the police party tried to run away. The police party tried to arrest him, and accordingly the petitioner, his uncle and auntie not only abused the Sub-Inspector Prashant Maneshwar, Constable Hari Singh Rajput, Constable Harish Daheria, Head Constable Ram Prakash Gurjar in the name of mother and sister, and also assaulted them by fists and blows. In the meanwhile, when ASI posted in police station Ladganj also reached on the spot. When the petitioner was tried to be arrested, then he continued to abuse them in the filthily and also had a scuffle with the complainant, and with great difficulty the petitioner was arrested. It is submitted by the petitioner himself that before registering the offense, the police must have conducted a preliminary inquiry, and before registration of offense, the petitioner was entitled for hearing. Considered the submissions made by counsel for the petitioner, by the petitioner. Number, whether an FIR can be quashed on the ground of non-holding of preliminary inquiry or not. Well, stop. The offenses in question were committed on 5/4/2024 and 13/4/2024. Well, let's stop. The Supreme Court in the case of Lalita Kumari versus State of UP reported in so and so has held as under. Holding of a preliminary inquiry is desirable, and the FIR cannot be quashed on the ground of non-holding of preliminary inquiry. The Supreme Court in the case of so-and-so has held as under. This court in the case of so-and-so has held as under. Thus, the first contention of the petitioner that before registering an offense, a preliminary inquiry into the correctness of the allegation should have been made is per se misconceived, and it is hereby rejected. Whether the suspect or the accused has a right to of pre-audience before the registration of offense or not. The moot question for consideration is The Supreme Court in the case of Romila Thapar versus State of Maharashtra reported in so and so has held as under. Thus, it is clear that the suspect or the accused has no right of pre-audience before registration of FIR. Furthermore, FIR. Accordingly, the FIR cannot be quashed on the ground that the petitioner was not heard before the registration of offense. Even otherwise, the petitioner has also admitted that on 5/4/2024 he had gone to the school in the capacity of a student leader. Accordingly, the petitioner was directed to address this court as to whether a person claiming himself to be a student leader can enter inside the school or not. The counsel for the petitioner could not point out any law by which a student leader can be, a self-proclaimed student leader can be permitted to enter inside a school unauthorizedly. No other argument is advanced by the counsel by the petitioner. As no case is made out warranting interference, therefore the petition fails and is hereby dismissed. वो जो मैंने लिखाए थे वो लिखेगा CBI and another versus Hon'ble, THONNANDRU, Hanna, HANNAH, Vijay Lakshmi at the rate of TH Vijay Lakshmi and another, decided on 8/10/2021 in Complaint Appeal number 1045/2021, और जो हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था वो है Avijit Sharma versus State of MP and another, decided on 14th of March 2024 in MCRC number 9662/2024. वो रिलीफ के बाद लीजिए द केस डायरी ऑफ क्राइम नंबर सो एंड सो एंड द फोटोकॉपी ऑफ केस डायरी of crime number 178/24 registered at police station Bedaghat, district Jabalpur, and crime number 183/24 registered at police station Ladgarh, district Jabalpur, are available. That's it.